Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our guide on fixing your car's stuck power antenna. Now that we've identified the issue in part 1, it's time to move on to the repair phase. In this segment, we'll provide step-by-step instructions for repairing your power antenna. Whether it involves lubricating the mast, replacing the antenna motor, or fixing wiring connections, we've got you covered. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and bring your power antenna back to life. Electronic troubleshooting methods. Test the motor by supplying power directly to it to see if it rotates. If the motor does not move, it may need to be replaced. Use a multimeter. To check the continuity of the wiring and components, use a multimeter. Test the voltage at different points along the wiring to identify any areas where there may be a break in the circuit. Reset the antenna module. Some vehicles with power antennas have a control module that may need to be reset. Consult your car's manual to locate the antenna control module and follow the reset instructions provided. By following these manual and electronic troubleshooting methods, you can diagnose and fix a stuck power antenna on your own. Remember to handle components with care and consider seeking professional help if the issue persists. Replacing a faulty power antenna. When your car's power antenna is faulty, sometimes it's more practical to replace it rather than attempt repairs. Here's how to tell when a replacement is necessary and the installation steps for a new power antenna. Signs that replacement is required. Antenna fails to extend or retract. If you notice that the power antenna does not extend or retract as it should, it might be a sign that the internal mechanism is damaged and needs replacing. Poor signal reception. A faulty power antenna can lead to poor radio signal reception. If you experience a decline in signal quality, it could indicate a problem with the antenna that requires replacement. Visible physical damage. Any visible physical damage to the power antenna, such as a bent mast or broken motor, is a clear sign that replacement is necessary. Installation steps for a new power antenna. Locate the antenna. The power antenna is typically located near the front fender or rear of the vehicle. Consult your car's manual for specific instructions. Disconnect the power source. To prevent electrical accidents, disconnect the car's battery before proceeding. Remove the old antenna. Uninstall the old power antenna by loosening the mounting bolts and disconnecting the wiring. Install the new antenna. Attach the new power antenna in the correct position, secure it with mounting bolts, and reconnect the wiring. Test the antenna. Turn on the radio to test the new power antenna's functionality. Ensure it extends and retracts smoothly. Reconnect the battery. Once you've verified that the new antenna works correctly, reconnect the car's battery. By recognizing the signs that your power antenna needs replacement and following the installation steps carefully, you can ensure optimal performance from your car's audio system. Maintaining your power antenna. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your power antenna. By following some simple practices and taking protective measures, you can prevent your power antenna from getting stuck in the future. Routine maintenance practices. To keep your power antenna in top condition, consider these routine maintenance practices. Regular inspection. Check your power antenna for any signs of damage or debris that could obstruct its movement. Look for any loose connections or visible wear and tear. Lubrication. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the moving components of the power antenna. This will help reduce friction and ensure smooth operation. Cleaning. Regularly clean the exterior of the power antenna to remove any dirt, dust, or grime that could interfere with its functionality. Operate the antenna. Raise and lower the power antenna a few times every month, even if you don't use the radio frequently. This helps prevent the antenna from getting stuck due to lack of movement. Protective measures for your power antenna. In addition to routine maintenance, consider implementing protective measures to safeguard your power antenna. Parking carefully. Be mindful of where you park your vehicle to avoid potential damage to the power antenna. Stay away from low-hanging branches or structures that could impact the antenna. Automatic retracting. If your vehicle is equipped with an automatic power antenna that retracts when the engine is turned off, ensure it is functioning correctly. This feature can help protect the antenna from external elements. Weather protection. During inclement weather, such as heavy rain or snow, consider retracting the power antenna manually to prevent water or ice from causing damage. By incorporating these routine maintenance practices and protective measures, you can extend the life of your power antenna and reduce the likelihood of it getting stuck in the future. Taking care of your power antenna now can save you time and money on repairs down the road. In closing, addressing a stuck power antenna promptly is crucial to ensuring the smooth functioning of your vehicle's radio reception. By following the simple steps outlined in this post, you can avoid potential issues and maintain the longevity of your power antenna. Taking proactive measures, such as regular inspection and lubrication, will not only save you time and money in the long run but also keep you cruising down the road with clear radio signals. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way when it comes to your car's power antenna. By following the steps outlined in our videos, you'll be well equipped to tackle this common issue and restore your antenna to full functionality. Remember to refer back to these videos as needed during the repair process, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials, and happy repairing. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.